On this first alert weather day, we're continuing to monitor the updated weather information, and we just got this from the National Weather Service. The north sides of the Metroplex from Denton County, Collin County, Hunt County, and now also into parts of Rains County, Hopkins County, now included in the tornado watch through 11 o'clock. So that's the latest update for you. We are continuing to look at the weather situation for us here in parts of North Texas. And looking at the radar right now, the severe thunderstorm warning for Denton County, that's expired. But for Dallas County, that does continue. Also down for parts of the Ellis County area, that does continue. The one down for parts of Ellis County, we're going to zoom our way down just a little bit more for you. This goes until 7 o'clock. We're getting reports out of the Ennis area, some of the strongest winds passing now over 45. You can see that now to the east of Ennis, possibly winds up to near 65 miles per hour to near 64 miles per hour. We're going to be seeing also the National Weather Service just now saying a severe thunderstorm warning is going to be coming for the Kaufman County areas and areas east because of this wind surge that's moving out of Ellis County is going to be moving into Kaufman County. So we've seen some reports of winds possibly gusting up to near 45 to near 50 miles per hour. So that's the biggest concern right now with that severe thunderstorm warning that does continue. And then the one for parts of Dallas County and Tarrant County is going to expire at 6:30, but definitely stay weather aware. We are continuing to watch these storms continue to make their way through parts of North Texas, Doug.
All right, Scott, thank you.